Hello, you're watching ERi-TV and welcome to English News Broadcast. These are the top stories. Eritrean athletes clinch 2 medals. World Breastfeeding Week observed. The DRC to discuss withdrawal of UN peacekeepers. And Kentucky floods death toll rise to 37. The local news. Eritrean athletes clinched 2 medals at the World Athletics Championship 2022 Under-20 that is being held in Cali, Colombia. Accordingly, at the 5,000 meters competitions, Eritrean athletes Merhawi Mebrahtu and Haptom Samuel won silver and bronze medals, respectively. The competitions, Ethiopian athlete Yuhunu Adisu won gold medal, finishing the race in 40 minutes, 3 seconds and 5 microseconds. The International Athletics Championship Under-20 is being held from August 1 to 6. World Breastfeeding Week is being observed under the theme Protecting, Promoting and Supporting Breastfeeding, featuring various programs. At the event held at the Edagahamus Community Hospital at the Central Region level, Dr. Mulugeta Haile, Medical Director at the Ministry of Health branch in the region, said breastfeeding in Eritrea is encouraging and called for more integrated effort for its upturn. Dr. Mulugeta also gave extensive briefing on the importance of breastfeeding in the physical and intellectual development of the child. The occasion was highlighted with various programs, including general knowledge competition. Seminar focusing on controlling the prevalence of malaria was conducted in Kudafalasi Administrative Area, Mendefara Subzone on July 28. The objective of the seminar was to develop the understanding of the public on the prevalence of the disease that could occur in connection with the rainy season. Nurse Emmanuel Tesfa Girgis, head of the health station in the administrative area, said the basic means of controlling the disease is to clear and suspected for mosquito breeding, and called on the public to conduct sustainable environmental sanitation activities and properly use impregnated bed nets. Mr. Yosef Sabhatu, head of environmental health, said sustainable awareness raising programs are being conducted and impregnated bed nets are being distributed to the public. We have an announcement from the Ministry of Health. 20 patients have been diagnosed positive for COVID-19 and tests carried out today at testing station at the Central Region. On the other hand, 10 patients who have been receiving medical treatment in the hospital in the Central Region have fully recovered and have been discharged from the facility. The total number of recovered patients has accordingly increased to 9,837, while the number of deaths stands at 103. And the total number of confirmed cases in the country to date has increased to 10,074. Minister of Health, Asmara, August 2nd, 2022. Now back with international news after a short break. Welcome back. The Democratic Republic of Congo is expected to hold talks with the UN mission in the country, MONUSCO, on the withdrawal of peacekeepers that will meet the demand of the public. This is according to the government spokesperson Patrick Muyaya. The announcement came after President Felix Tshisekedi chaired a meeting with the presidents of the 2 chambers of parliament, the prime minister and officials from the eastern North Kivu province. The presidency shared pictures of the meeting. Activists accused the UN mission of failing to stop a decades-long rebellion in the east. Mr. Muyaya said a total of 36 people, including 4 UN peacekeepers, have been killed following the protests. Security forces dispersed fresh protests in Beni, North Kivu yesterday that disrupted activities in the region. At least 37 people have now died in flash floods in eastern Kentucky as the region braces for more rainfall. At least 6 children, including 4 siblings aged 1 to 8, who were reportedly swept from their parents' grip, are among the dead. Kentucky Governor Andy Bashner said the death toll would continue to rise as Honduras remained unaccounted for. More than 12,000 households remained without power, and hundreds of homes and businesses have been flooded. The damage to roads, bridges, and other infrastructure will cost millions to repair. This according to the governor. This is the worst flash flooding the region has seen in decades. Reminder of the top stories. Eritrean athletes claimed 2 medals. World Breastfeeding Week observed. The DRC to discuss withdrawal of UN peacekeepers. And Kentucky floods death toll rises to 37. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.